SHERP UGV. The SHERP UGV, or Unmanned Ground Vehicle, is a marvel of modern engineering. Developed and manufactured by Quadro International, a company based in Kiev, Ukraine, the SHERP UGV is an amphibious vehicle with unparalleled capabilities. It's designed to overcome any terrain and obstacles, making it a reliable assistant for professionals who frequently deal with natural difficulties, such as geologists, oil workers, rescue agents, fishermen, hunters, extreme drivers, and travelers. The SHERP UGV is not just a vehicle, but a platform with a control radius of 10 kilometers, making it ideal for rescue and transportation, logistics, and border protection. Its ruggedness, reliability, and ease of maintenance allow users to focus on their tasks at hand. Rock Bouncer X. Rock Bouncers pushing the limits at Rush Off-Road Anniversary Bash 2021 Pro Rock Racing by High Octane Film has garnered over 750,000 views. Another video, Rock Bouncers vs Cable Hill 2023 by Busted Knuckle Films, takes viewers to Cable Hill, the most famous hill in all of rock bouncing, located at the old Gray Rock Wharf Park in Mt. Olive, Alabama. The Rock Bouncer X chassis, featured in a video by Wide Open Design, is an upgraded version of the original Rock Bouncer chassis, boasting improved visibility, better bypass shock clearance, and many other enhancements. Qatar Doha Monster Boss. Qatar Doha Monster Boss. This unique journey takes you through the vast, majestic sand dunes of the Qatari desert, offering a view and experience like no other. The Monster Boss, equipped with 32 seats and air conditioning, ensures a comfortable journey as you traverse the undulating landscape. The tour begins with a smooth pickup from your location, followed by a drive to the stunning Sealine Beach. Once there, you're handed over to your desert driver and the real adventure begins. The Monster Bus powers through the desert, offering amazing photo opportunities at every turn. SHERP UTV. The SHERP UTV is a remarkable rescue vehicle that stands out for its extraordinary capabilities. This amphibious all-terrain vehicle is designed to traverse all types of terrain, both on land and in water. It's particularly useful for rescue operations during floods. The SHERP UTV has proven itself in the field of rescue operations, rescuing people in the most extreme conditions. Depending on the vehicle configuration, the SHERP Search and Rescue UTV can be used as a cargo carrier, people mover, and a search and rescue unit to deliver equipment, crew, and injured people. With a 10 kilometers control radius, it's also used for transportation, logistics, and border protection. The SHERP UTV is truly a game-changer in the field of rescue operations. Ripsaw EV2. The Ripsaw EV2, a marvel of modern engineering, is a high-speed, high-mobility lightweight personal luxury tank that was originally designed for military use. This vehicle, designed by H2O Technologies, now part of Textron Systems, is a series of developmental unmanned ground combat vehicles. It's designed to perform various missions including convoy protection, perimeter defense, surveillance, rescue, border patrol, crowd control, and explosive ordnance disposal. Despite its military-grade capabilities, the Ripsaw EV2 is also available for public consumption, catering to extreme off-road recreation enthusiasts who demand only the best from their high-end luxury super tanks.
Each Ripsaw EV2 takes up to 6 months to build and can cost well over 6 figures.
BRONCO ATTC. The BRONCO All-Terrain Track Carrier, ATTC, is a highly versatile and robust vehicle designed to traverse challenging terrains. Jointly developed by ST Kinetics and the Defense Science and Technology Agency, DSTA, for the Singapore Army, the BRONCO ATTC is a twin-chassis multi-purpose track articulated vehicle. It's known for its outstanding mobility and high survivability, making it ideal for tactical maneuverability and superior protection in the field. The BRONCO ATTC can carry up to 5 tons and reach a top speed of 60 km per hour on paved roads and at least 25 km per hour on cross-country terrain.
StabiX 250UC. The StabiX 250UC amphibious boat. This model is designed with multi-use in mind, making it perfect for everyone, whether you're into on-water camping, fishing, or simply having a day out with the family. Some of the key features of the StabiX 250UC include a full galley seating package with custom diamond stitching, V-berth with seating backrests, fold-down extensions and squabs, cabin and cockpit floodlighting, a fold-out table, and seating for 7 passengers. It also includes a transom bait station, a 60L live bait tank, and a Garmin 22-inch sounder, VHF and satellite.
TINGER TF4. The TINGER TF4 is a remarkable all-terrain vehicle that has been featured in several YouTube videos. One video by TINGER / provides a detailed overview of the vehicle. Another video by Review Machines showcases the TINGER TF4 in action, demonstrating its impressive capabilities. The vehicle is equipped with the same engine as on other TINGER models, SQR372, 57 horsepower, providing confident traction and low noise level. These videos highlight the TINGER TF4's reliability, endurance, and superior performance in off-road conditions. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or looking for a reliable all-terrain vehicle, the TINGER TF4 is worth considering. For more information, you can visit the official TINGER website.
ELECTROWAY T1S. The ELECTROWAY T1S is a remarkable product that has garnered attention in the market. It's an updated version of the Thronite T1, featuring an 18350 battery and an SST40 LED, capable of producing up to 1,200 lumens. The design has been refined, with the addition of USB-C charging and a new TIR optic. The T1S is made from aluminum, anodized in a semi-shiny black, and the fit and finish are above average for its price point. It comes with a 1,100 mAh 18350 battery, lanyard, extra O-ring, snap-on pocket clip, and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. This flashlight is a great consideration for its price, offering a compelling blend of features and performance. DRACO X. The DRACO X is a marvel of modern aviation, a custom-built aircraft that has become the stuff of legend in just over a year of its life. This beast of a bush plane was designed and built by visionary aviator, entrepreneur, and innovator Mike Patey. It's powered by a Pratt & Whitney PT6A28 engine that delivers a whopping 680 horsepower. With a maximum speed of 205 miles per hour and a cruise speed of 180 miles per hour, it's no slouch in the speed department. But what truly sets the DRACO X apart is its short takeoff and landing (STOL) capabilities. It can take off in just 78 feet and land in 97 feet, making it the world's first four-person jet turbine-powered aircraft to demonstrate hyper STOL capabilities.
ENVO e-ATV. The ENVO e-ATV is a unique electric all-terrain vehicle that stands out in the market. Manufactured by BC-based company ENVO Drive, this vehicle is designed for those who need to traverse rugged terrain with minimal engine noise. It's powered by a 60V/3000WH lithium battery and propelled by two 1,500-watt rear hub motors, offering a top speed of 50 kilometers per hour, 31 miles per hour, and a range of 50 to 70 kilometers, 31 to 43 miles, depending on usage. It has a payload capacity of 200 kilograms, 441 pounds, and is capable of towing up to 350 kilograms, 772 pounds, making it a versatile tool for tasks like moving items around a property. Delta 4x4 G Klass. The Mercedes G Klass, a robust and distinct off-road vehicle, has been given an exclusive off-road package by Delta 4x4. This package aims to enhance the vehicle's driving performance and visual appeal. It includes a variety of products such as bull bars, headlamps, and off-road wheels. The vehicle also gets a suspension lift, making it more robust and massive. Delta 4x4's proposal is radically different from most conversions, turning the regular G Klass into an unofficial 4x4 Superscript 2. It features a tweaked front bumper with integrated lights, a fresh bulging hood, and a roof rack with additional lights. KRECHET Z210. The Techno-Impulse KRECHET Z210-01 is a marvel of Russian engineering, designed to conquer the most challenging terrains. This compact 4x4 is powered by a Hyundai turbo diesel engine, paired with a manual gearbox, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 31 miles per hour. Its spacious interior features triple bench seats that can fold down to accommodate a queen-sized mattress, making it perfect for family trips or intimate getaways. The KRECHET Z210-01 is not just about comfort, it's built for extreme conditions, with an operating temperature range of -76 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit 1. Weighing in at 2.1 tons, this multi-purpose amphibious vehicle can traverse snow, water, and swamps with ease. HAMYAK ATV. The HAMYAK ATV, a unique all-terrain vehicle that's been making waves in the off-road community. The HAMYAK, which means hamster in Russian, is a monotrack ATV designed by Russian engineer Eduard Luzyanin. It's named after the hamster due to its small size and unprecedented mobility, much like its namesake. This ATV is powered by a 150 cubic centimeters engine, commonly found in Chinese scooters. Despite its compact size, comparable to a child's bicycle, the HAMYAK is capable of tackling various terrains with ease, especially snow, sand, and mud. One of the most distinctive features of the HAMYAK is its lack of steering. Instead, turning is accomplished by shifting the rider's weight or planting a foot, similar to how one would steer a skateboard.
H2O Salamander. The H2O Salamander is a revolutionary, 100% Filipino-made amphibious tricycle. Designed by H2O Technologies Incorporated, this innovative vehicle can travel on both land and water, making it an ideal solution for flood-prone areas in the Philippines. The Salamander can carry up to 6 passengers on land and 4 passengers on water. It's built with a stable and buoyant hull design, marine-grade industrial propeller, and even features solar mobile USB charging capability with 6 USB ports. Despite the challenges faced by the young startup, they remain hopeful to bring this project to communities with the help of other individuals and groups who want to make a change.